Doctors say that the coronavirus pandemic has fewer families keeping up with their vaccines as well for their children. Cincinnati Children's, for example, now seeing a significant drop in vaccination rates, which worries healthcare professionals who are already struggling just to keep up with COVID-19. WCPO 9 News reporter Josh Bazan explains how the hospital is trying to get ahead of this problem.
So it's definitely important to get them vaccinated, help keep your children safe, your family safe.
Dr. Tasha Johnson with Cincinnati Children's says vaccinations are always important for kids, but she warns a global pandemic is not the time to take any chances. Right now, doctors really aren't sure what would happen if a child gets sick with measles or mumps and COVID-19.
So I think it would make you kind of probably sicker or just have more complications, but I don't think we actually know the true effects if you were to have both.
Cincinnati Children's says the pandemic has led to about a 20% drop in its vaccination rate and between a 15 and 25% drop in children getting the MMR vaccine by 15 months old.
This means compared to years in the past, we would see more children and get more vaccinations for our population. But due to people not coming into the office and not getting those vaccinations, we're seeing a decline.
Cincinnati Children's and UC Health are holding vaccination events Saturday to try and catch families up, with hospitals and healthcare workers across the region straining to keep up with the spike in people catching COVID-19. Dr. Johnson says the last thing anyone wants is an outbreak of another illness.
If we had another outbreak during the time we had this COVID outbreak, it would definitely be more of a strain on our economic system, on the healthcare system.
The vaccination event at Cincinnati Children's, 3, 2, 1. The vaccination event at Cincinnati Children's runs from 9 a.m. to noon Saturday. UC's runs from noon to 4. Families are asked to wear masks and limit the number of people they're bringing to just a parent and the children getting those vaccines if possible. Reporting at Cincinnati Children's, Josh Bazan, WCPO 9 News.